Students, today I will start this class from studies where I have left that class. From same point I will start this one, students, and I hope that you have seen that videos carefully and completed the given homework properly. Okay, so in that question number fifth, I will do that question number fifth one. Okay, so you can see this fifth I have completed. I think fifth, then after I am going to do that question number ninth one. Okay, question number 9. Fifth I have done that. See this question number 9, and the remaining here I have given that one homework: second, fourth, 6, 7, 8, 10 and 12. See this question number 9, students. In this 2 to the power 4 to the power 2. Okay, write in form of a power of a prime number. So in that, how you will write it? You know that a to the power m to the power 10. You will write this. You will multiply this power m into n. You will write this power a to the power m n. Same as this, you will write this one 4 to the 8, 2 to the power 8. This is your answer. This is question number 9. Fifth, 9th part. Then you will see this 11th one. Okay, 10th one you will do with yourself, students. And question number 12 also. See this question number 11 minus 2 to the power 8 divided by minus 2 to the power 2. And you know that if bases are equal, then you will easily, in division you will easily subtract the powers. So you will get this minus 2 to the power 8 minus 2. What you will get, students? You will easily get minus 2 to the power 6. And you know that if base is negative and power is even. Suppose base is negative and power is even number, then you always get a positive number. Here is you always get a positive value. Okay, so here also you will write 2 to the power 6. Both are minus 2 to the power 6 or 2 to the power 6. Both are same answer. Both are same way. Okay, both are same thing. Okay, now question number 12 you will do it yourself. This is your homework. You can do it in your home. Now question number 6, fill in the blanks. Question number 6, fill in the blanks. See this one. I will explain a few questions on question number 6, which help you, which is helpful for you students. Okay. Question number 6, students. First you solve, and this question is based on Phillips law. Students, first you solve it in your HW copy, and then after you will fill in this book. Okay. So see this question number 6. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Here I will explain some question. First one is 2 to the power 2, then blanks is equal to, it is given that 2 to the power 6. So you will find the value of this blanks. So I think it is very easy. First you write this 2 to the power 2, then blanks. Okay, you suppose this blanks is equal to x, then you will write this 2 to the power 2 to the power 6. Can you write this 6 as a 2 into 3? Means 2 to the power 3. Okay, 2 to the power 3. You can write this 6 as a product of 2 into 3. No, so here I will write this 2 to the power 2 to the power 3. So if you compare this one, then this blank space you will get 3 because base are equal. You see this base are equal, so it is very easy to compare this one. In place of this blanks you will write 3. So hence, so in this blank you will write 3 there. Okay, because 3 to the 6. It is easy, no? If you suppose this one x, so x is equal to 3 by comparing. You will get x is equal to 3. Same as it is. If you want, you can try this question number 2. 3 to the power 7 to the power 3, then 3 blanks. Okay, so what you will write, it is very easy. You will get this 7 3s are 21. In place of this blank you will write this 21. So same as it is, you will try that other question also. So question number 6, first you do it in your HW copy, and then after you will fill in this book also. Okay, now question number 7, it is very important. Question number 7 is also 7 is very important. See this question number 7, students. This is a new thing for today. Okay, question number 7. Question number 7, students. Find the values of A and B in each of the following. Find the values of A and B in each of the following. This one, first question is 5 into A to the power B is equal to 5 to the power 3 is multiplied by 7 to the power 3. Okay, so here our aim is to find that the value of A and B. So see, this is very easy. If you want, you can compare this one and then you will get your answer. Okay, so first you make it same base. 5 into A to the power B is equal to, because you know that A to the power m, see this one, A to the power m is multiplied by B to the power m is equal to A into B to the power m students. So see this one, same process we will use it here. Multiply this base and write the power 1 times, and then after you will compare the powers, and then you will compare the base also. By comparing we get. If you compare this one, B is equal to 3, B is equal to 3, and A is equal to 7. Okay, so this is your answer, students. B is equal to 3 and A is equal to 7. By comparing, okay, you will get this thing. Okay, students. Now same as it is, your question number 2 also. See this one, second one. 2 to the power A to the power B is equal to B to the power 35. Okay, so find the value of A and B here. So see this one, students. Powers power, you will multiply this one. 2 to the power 5A is equal to B to the power 35. Both are equal. It means that you will compare. For this case, B is equal to 2 and 5A is equal to 35. So by comparing the powers, see this one, students. I will erase this first one. See here, by comparing the powers. We get 5A is equal to 35, then A is equal to 35 by 5, because 5 is in form of a multiplication. If you transfer to the right side, then division multiplication change into division. So cancel out this one. A is equal to 7. Okay, so after that, if you put this value, see this one here, students, you will get A is equal to 7 and put this value 2 to the power 5A. In place of A, you will write this 7 and B to the power 35. Then you will see this thing. 2 to the power 35 is equal to B to the power 35. If powers equal, it means that base is also going to be equal. B is equal to 2. So same as it is here also, you will compare it, because if powers equal, means base is also going to be equal. So then compare the base. So B is equal to 2. For this case, your answer is B is equal to 2 and A is equal to 7, students. Now see this question number 8. Students, do that question in your copy, students. So after that, I am going to start your question number 8, students. in that express the following as a power of prime numbers. Express the following as a powers of prime numbers. It is the same as it is like a question number 5th. In that I will do the 2 questions and remaining you will do with yourself, students. Question number 8. In that first you will see this first one. 2 to the power 3 to the power 7. 2 to the power 3 to the power 7. I think it is very easy. A to the power m to the power n, same as it is a to the power m into n. So same process we will use it here. So 2 to the power 21. 3 7 21. Same as it is. You will see this question number 3rd of this 8 7 to the power minus 2 to the power minus 7. So you know that minus is multiplied into minus, you will get plus, and 7 and 2 is multiplied into 7, you will get this 14, students. And see this question number 5. 2 into 3 into 5 to the power 7. Okay, so because in your question it is asking them to write as a power of prime numbers. If you multiply this 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30. 30 is not a prime number. Okay, so you will write in separate form like a into b into c to the power m. Then you will write a to the power m into b to the power m into c to the power m. Same as this 2 to the power 7, 3 to the power 7, and 5 to the power 7, students. Okay, so homework for you. Question number 8. Second one, fourth, you will do with yourself, students. Second and fourth one, you will do with yourself. Now question number 9, 10 and 11. Both are based on a simplification, students. 9, 10 and 11. In that, I will do some questions and okay. See this question number 9. Question number 9 is simplify. So in that simplification also is very easy. If you use your mind, it is very easy for you to do that. See this first one, it is very easy. 2 to the power 2 to the power 3 is multiplied by 3 to the power 2. Okay, so first you do this one. 2 to the power 3 to the 6 and 3 to the power 2. Okay, so this is your answer. If you are if you want, you can simplify more than 2. Multiply this 2 6 times. 2 4 8 16 32. 32 to the 64. 2 4 8 16 32. 32 to the 64 and 3 to the 9. You know that 9 4 is 36. 3 9 5 is 54. 3 57. You will get this 576. Okay, here you will simplify this one. 2 to the 4. 2 to the power 2. You will get 4. 4 to the power 3. You will multiply this one. You will get 64. And 3 to the power 2. You will get 9 students. Now, second one is the same as this. Question number 9. Second one is the same as this. See this question number 3rd. Third is good question. See this third one. 3 to the power 2 multiply by 3 to the power 3 multiply by 3 to the power 2 multiply by 5 to the power 2 upon 3 to the power 4 multiply by 2 to the power 3. Okay, students. So in that, if you want, you can simply write it 3 into 3 into 3 times and 3 into 3 2 times. But here you see this one. The base are equal, then you will add the power, so you will get this 3 to the power 3 to 5 multiply by 5 to the power 2. Here you see this one, students. 3 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 3. Here is a 5 and here is a 4. If you want, you can cancel out. There is 1 3 remaining, students. Okay. Sorry, here is your question. In question it is given 2 to the power 5. Okay, 2 to the power 5. So sorry for that. So after that you will subtract the same base power. Okay, because in division you will subtract the powers. If your base is equal, so you will subtract this one, and you will write this 3 to the power 5 multiplied by 2 to the power 5 division 3 to the power 4 multiplied by 2 to the power 3. So 3, you can use this one, 5 minus 4 multiplied by 2 to the power 5 minus 3. So what you will get is 3 to the power 5 minus 4 1 and 2 to the power 2. 5 minus 3 2. So in this case you will get 3 and 2 to the power 2 you will get 4 and 3 4s are 12. This one is by using a index method. If you want you can do it this simple way also. See this one here, 3 to the power 3 are equals to convert this form 3 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5 upon 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 3. So 3 5 times and 2 5 times, and here is also 3 4 times and 2 3 times. Cancel out this 4 with this and 3 2, you will cancel out with this 3. Here is 1 3 remaining and there is 2 2. So what you will get is in this case also you will get this 12. Okay, same answer you will get this one. Okay, now you will try this question number 4th one with yourself, students. Question number 4 you will do with yourself, same as this, same question. Now see this question number 6th one, 5th one also you will try. Now see this question number 6th one is students, question number 6. Okay, question number 6, minus 3 to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 5 and 7 to the power 2 upon minus 1 to the power 5 minus 7 to the power 2 and multiply 2 to the power 5. Okay students, this is your question number 6 students. In that first you solve this one, minus 3 to the power 3. If you resolve this one, 3 3s are 9 and 3s are 27 with minus sign. Okay, and here you see this one, minus 2 to the power 5 2 4 8 16 32. Here is also a minus sign. Okay, minus 32. So you will write in bracket and 7 to the power 2 is 49. Minus 1 to the power 5 minus 1 multiply by 7 to the power 2 you will get this plus 49. Okay, and 2 to the power 5 means that 2 4 8 16 32 with plus sign. So see this 49 is cancel out with this 49, 32 is cancel out with this minus 32, you will get minus 1, and here you see this minus 1 is cancel out with this minus 1. So what is remaining here in upside is minus 27, in downside it is a 1, and then your answer is minus 27. So this is by simplifying, then you will do that. If you want you can do it with the index method also, means that subtracting the powers. Here you see this one, leave this one, here is 2 to the power 5, here is minus 2 to the power 5. So in this case you will get minus, but 2 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 5 is going to be cancelled out. Here is same as this, you will get minus and 7, here is because the power is even, so you will get the positive number. 7 to the power 2 is cancelled out by this 7 to the power 2. Okay, so simply in this case you will get minus 3 to the power 3. Your answer is minus 27. Okay students, so question number 10, second, fourth and fifth is your homework students. Sorry, question number 9, second, fourth and fifth is your homework. See this question number 10. 10 is also based on a simplification. Write this solution of question Okay. Now see the question number 9. 6 part. Okay. Then after I am going to start your question number 10 and 11. Simplifying. So in this one it is based on our division. See this first one question. 6 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 3. Okay. So there is two ways to do that. First one is a simple way 6. You will write 4 times. This is not a mathematical method. It is only a simplifying that, finding the answer. 3, 3, and 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. 27 is multiplied by 6. So what you will get this one? 6 7 is 42, 4, 6 2 is 12, and 4 162. This is your answer. You are getting your answer. But this is not a proper way. It is not a way to solve the exponents. See this one? This is a way to solve the exponent. 6 to the power 4. You will write this one. 6 is a product of 2 into 3. So you will write 2 into 3 to the power 4. Any problems? And then 2 to the power 3. Break this one. You will get 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 3 is in form of a division. So if you go outside, then division change into multiplication, plus we change into a minus 3. No need. Directly you will subtract the powers. 2 to the power 4 minus 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 4. So what you will get is 2 to the power 1, 3 to the power 4. If you solve this one, you will get this 2, and 3 to the power 4, you will get this 1 3 9 27 81. And if you multiply this, you will get also 162. So both the way you will get the same answer students. But this is your mathematical way. Means that by exponent way you can do that your solution. Always you can try to solve your question in this way. But if you have a difficulty, then you use this simple way to solve your problem. Okay. So question number second and third one is the same as it is. Fourth one is also same, but I will do this fourth one. See this fourth one is students. Question number 10. Second and third. I think you will get more question to solve that one. So take your time and do that your question. So no need to do it at that same time. So you can take your time and do that the given homework in your homework copy. Okay. Complete this question and see this question number 4. Okay. I'm going to erase this one. Okay. Question number 4 one. Question number 4. 15 to the power 2, 12 to the power 3 upon 18 to the power 2 students. 15 to the power 2 multiplied by 12 to the power 3 upon 18 to the power 2 students. So in this case, there is two way to solve this one. Same like first method 15 into 15 multiplied by 12 into 12 into 12. Okay, and then 18 into 18. See this question students. With this 6 to the 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 to the 12, and 6 3 is 18. 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15, 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. So see this one. What is remaining there? 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 12. See this one. 5 5 is 25, 25 to the 50, and 50 to the 100. 100 is multiplied by 12. You will get this 1200. This is your answer for this case students. Okay, and if you break this one in form of a power, so then also you will do this question. If you break this one, you will break this 5 into 3 to the power 2. Into this one, you also break with 6 into 2. You will get this, and this 18 you will break with 6 into 3 to the power 2. So what you will get is students? 5 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2, 6 to the power 3, and 2 to the power 3 upon 6 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2 is going to be cancelled out this one. Okay, so see this here, students. 6 to the power 2 is cancelled out by this 6 to the power 3. 1 6 is remaining. So what you will get is 5 to the power 2 into 6 into 2 to the power 3. Solve this one. 25 into 6 into 2, 8. So 25 8 is 200 and 200 is multiplied by 6. You also get this 1200 students. Okay, so remaining question you will try with yourself students. Now see this question number 11, which is also based on a simplification students. In that there is a 3 questions. In that I will do this question number first and third. Second one you also do with yourself. Okay, so complete it this one. Take your time to complete it, or no problem. See this question number 11 students. Second one you will try with yourself. Second number. Okay, this is question number 8. This is question number 9, and this one is this is question number 10, and this one is 11 students. Now question number 11, which is also based on a simplification. See the first one. First one is 18 to the power 2 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 upon 20 to the power 2 is multiplied by 3 to the power 2 to the power 2. Okay, so in this case students, see this here, 18 into 18 and 10 into 10 3 times 20. This is the easiest way to do that one. 3 to the power 2 means that 9 to the power 2. One more times you can write this one. Okay, 18 into 18, 10 into 10, 3 times upon 20 into 20 into 9 2 times. See this students, 10 ones are 10, 2, 10, 2, 9, 2, and this 2 is cancelled out with this 2. So what is remaining here? Only 10 is remaining from upside and 1 is remaining from downside. So your answer is 10 for this case. Okay, and if you want you can do with this exponent form. Do it. Okay, and show me that one. Okay, students. Now see this question number 3rd one. In this one, if any doubts, so please ask that you doubt students. Now see this question number 3rd one. 12 to the power 3 is multiplied by 15 to the power 2. Okay, multiplied by 20 to the power 3 upon 20 to the power 3 upon 6 to the power 4 multiplied by 10 to the power 4 is multiplied by 2 to the power 2. Okay, so see this one students. If you break this one, this thing I think it is cancelled out, but no need. 12 you will write 3 times, 15 you will write 2 times, and 20 you will write 3 times. Okay, upon 6 you will write 4 times, and 10 4 times, then 2 times. Okay, and if the terms is cancelled out, you will cancel this one. 6 to the 12. Okay, 10 to the 20. Okay, 1 10 is remaining. Okay, here is 1 6 is remaining, and there is 2 2. So 2 2 is cancelled out with this 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So 2 1s are 2, 2 is cancelled out. So in denominator nothing is remaining. In numerator 15 into 2 into 2. So what you will get is 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 16. So this is your answer for this case. With this by removing the powers, you can do that one. Okay, I will show you this one with the exponent form also. Students, see this one. This is a little bit lengthy. Okay, so see that videos properly. So see this 12 to the power 3, 15 to the power 2, and 20 to the power 3 upon 6 to the power 4, 10 to the power 4, and 2 to the power 2. So I will break this one 6 into 2 to the power 3. This one I will break this one 5 into 3 to the power 2, and this one I will break it 10 into 2 to the power 3 upon 6 to the power 4 into 10 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 2. So see this one 6 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3, 5 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, and 2 to the power 3 upon this one 6 to the power 4 into 10 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 2. I think this one also very easy. So after that you will see this one. Here 6 to the power 4 and 6 to the power 3. Okay, 3 to the power 2. Okay, no problem. So here you see this 10 to the power 3 and 10 to the power 2 to the power 3. So here it is cancel out, 1 2 is remaining here. Okay, here is a 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 3, 1 10 is remaining here. 6 to the power 3, here even 6 is remaining. So in downside 6 and 10 only remaining, that one is 6. So see this one if in next step here is 1 and 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay students. So what is remaining? 2 to the power 3, 5 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2. Okay, this much is remaining from upside, and 6 into 5. So 1 5 is cancelled out, so 1 5 is remaining because 2 5 is there. And here is 3 and 2. Here is a 3 and 3 to the power 2. I will take 1 2 from there and 1 3 from there. So 5 is remaining upside, and then 1 2 if I take this one, then you will get 2 to the power 2 and 1 3 and 3. So 2 3s are 6, and in downside it is a 6. 6 is cancelled out this one. So 5, 2 to the 4, and then 3. So 5 4s are 20, and 20 is multiplied by 3. In this case also you will get 60. So if you use your mind and if you use the concept of exponents, you can easily do that question again with this exponent form also. Now question number 12, and this one is the last question of your exercise 5A. Write each of the following either as a square or as a cube of a natural number. So in that I will do this only 2 questions, and remaining you will try it yourself. Okay. So in that first one is 144. So first you can find that prime factor of this 144 by using a prime factorization method. By using prime factorization method. Method we get is okay. So by using prime factorization means you can use a prime number only. So first I will start with 2, 72, and then 36, then 2, 18, then again with 2, 9, then it is not cancelled out by 2, then you will start with 3. So this is your prime factorization of 144. So write it in form of a product. 2 into 2, it comes 4 times, and 3 comes to 2 times. Okay. In your question it asks that to write in form of a square or cube. So make it this one as a, I think that is 4 times, 2 comes 4 times and 3 comes 2 times. It is in form of a, I think, square. So you will write this one. If you make it 2, then 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 2. And you know that if powers are equal, then you will multiply the base your solution for this first one. Same as it is, you will try that question number, second one also, third one also. So I will do this question number, fourth one. Okay. Question number 4. 2340 by using a prime factorization method. See this one, students, cancel out by 2. Again it is cancel out by 2. Again it is cancelled out by 2, 8, 8, 1, 4, 4. Again it is cancelled out by 2, 72. Here is 36, 18, 9, then 3. Okay, students, so it is a prime factorization of this number. So write this number as a product of this prime factors. 2 into 2, it comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. 2 comes 8 times, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then you will write in form of squares. Okay, 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 to the power 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 3 the 48 to the power 2. So it is also in form of a square only, students. So by this way I have completed this exercise 5A. So in next class I will discuss the next exercise 5B. Till that, thank you.